be discovered. Macau is a dazzling fusion of East and West, where traditional Chinese temples stand side by side with Portuguese colonial architecture, creating a unique and harmonious blend. This vibrant city-state boasts a unique blend of history, culture, and entertainment. From the lively street performances that fill the air with music and dance, to the rich historical sites that tell tales of a bygone era, Macau offers something for everyone. Macau's allure extends beyond its glittering casinos. While the city is often dubbed the Las Vegas of Asia, there's so much more to explore and experience. It's a place where ancient temples stand in the shadow of modern skyscrapers, offering a striking contrast that highlights the city's rich heritage and rapid modernization. Macau holds the title of having the highest GDP per capita in Asia, a testament to its thriving economy. The city is a shopper's paradise, with high-end shopping districts that cater to every taste and preference. This economic powerhouse thrives on tourism, gaming, and financial services. The bustling streets are filled with tourists from around the world, eager to experience the city's unique offerings. But beyond its financial success lies a city brimming with charm and intrigue. The cobblestone streets lined with colonial buildings transport visitors back in time, offering a glimpse into Macau's storied past. Prepare to be captivated by Macau's unique character and undeniable allure. As the sun sets over the waterfront promenade, the city comes alive with a magical energy that is both enchanting and unforgettable. Whether you're exploring its historical sites, indulging in its culinary delights, or simply soaking in the vibrant atmosphere, Macau promises an experience like no other. Macau's economy is a force to be reckoned with. It consistently ranks among the wealthiest cities globally, boasting an incredibly high GDP per capita. While casinos are its most prominent industry, Macau's economy is surprisingly diverse. Tourism plays a pivotal role, drawing visitors from around the world. Financial services, manufacturing, and exports also contribute significantly to Macau's economic prosperity. The government has strategically invested in infrastructure and diversification, ensuring long-term economic stability. This strategic approach has cemented Macau's position as a global economic leader. Macau's history is a captivating tapestry woven with Portuguese threads. For over 400 years, Macau served as a Portuguese trading post, leaving an indelible mark on the city's architecture, culture, and cuisine. Walking through the cobbled streets of Macau is like stepping back in time. Colonial buildings with pastel facades and intricate balconies transport visitors to a bygone era. The Portuguese influence is evident in everything from the city's legal system to its culinary delights. This unique blend of Chinese and Portuguese heritage is what truly sets Macau apart. Macau is often hailed as the Las Vegas of Asia, and for good reason. Its dazzling casinos are a sight to behold, offering an unparalleled entertainment experience. From slot machines to high-stakes poker tables, there's something for everyone in Macau's glamorous gaming world. The Venetian Macau, with its canals and gondolas, recreates the romance of Venice. The Wynn Palace impresses with its dancing fountains and opulent interiors. Whether you're a seasoned gambler or simply looking for a night of excitement, Macau's casinos will leave you breathless. Section 5. Historic Treasures, Unveiling Macau's Rich Past. Beyond the glitz and glamour of its casinos, Macau is a city steeped in history. The UNESCO World Heritage-listed Historic Center of Macau is a treasure trove of architectural wonders. Ama Temple, one of the oldest temples in Macau, offers a glimpse into the city's spiritual side. The Fortaleza do Monte, a 17th-century fortress, provides panoramic views of the city. These historical landmarks offer a fascinating glimpse into Macau's past, showcasing its rich cultural heritage. Exploring these sites is like taking a journey through time. Section 6. Cultural Tapestry, a fusion of East and West. Macau's cultural landscape is a vibrant tapestry woven with threads of Chinese and Portuguese heritage. This unique blend is evident in everything from the city's language and cuisine to its festivals and traditions. Cantonese and Portuguese are both official languages, reflecting the city's multicultural identity. Macanese cuisine is a delicious fusion of Chinese and Portuguese flavors, with dishes like minchi and Portuguese egg tarts tantalizing taste buds. This harmonious blend of cultures creates an atmosphere of inclusivity and vibrancy that is truly captivating. Section 7. A culinary adventure, tantalizing tastes of Macau. Food lovers, rejoice! Prepare your taste buds for an unforgettable journey through the rich and diverse flavors of Macau. Macau is a culinary paradise, offering a tantalizing array of flavors to satisfy every palate. The fusion of Portuguese and Chinese influences creates a unique gastronomic experience that is both exotic and familiar. From Michelin-starred restaurants to humble street food stalls, Macau's culinary scene is an adventure for the senses. Wander through bustling markets where the aroma of freshly cooked dishes fills the air, and discover hidden gems in every corner. Indulge in the iconic Portuguese egg tarts, with their flaky crusts and creamy custard fillings. These delectable treats are a must-try, offering a perfect balance of sweetness and texture that will leave you craving for more. Sample the savory delights of minchi, a traditional Macanese dish made with minced meat, potatoes, and onions. This hearty and flavorful dish is a staple in Macanese cuisine, reflecting the comfort and warmth of home-cooked meals. Don't forget to try the almond cookies, a popular souvenir that embodies the city's sweet and savory flavors. These delightful treats are perfect for sharing with loved ones, offering a taste of Macau's rich culinary heritage in every bite. Section 8. Modern Marvels, Macau's skyline and beyond. While Macau cherishes its history, it also embraces modernity with open arms. The city's skyline is an impressive display of architectural prowess, with towering skyscrapers reaching for the heavens. The Macau Tower, standing at 338 meters tall, offers breathtaking views of the city and beyond. The Hong Kong-Zhuhai-Macau Bridge, an engineering marvel, connects Macau to Hong Kong and mainland China. These modern marvels demonstrate Macau's commitment to innovation and progress. Section 9. Beyond the Tourist Trail, exploring local life. To truly experience Macau's soul, venture beyond the bustling tourist hotspots. Explore the charming neighborhoods of Taipa and Cologne, where you can soak up the local atmosphere. Wander through traditional markets where vendors hawk fresh produce, seafood, and local crafts. Engage in conversation with friendly locals who are always eager to share their city's hidden gems. These authentic encounters will provide a deeper understanding of Macau's rich cultural tapestry. Section 10. Planning your Macau adventure tips and tricks. Planning a trip to Macau is easier than you might think. The city is well connected by air and sea, with frequent flights from major cities worldwide. The best time to visit Macau is during the fall or spring, when the weather is pleasant and ideal for exploring. When it comes to accommodation, Macau offers a range of options to suit every budget, from luxurious hotels to cozy guest houses. Be sure to exchange your currency for Macanese patacas, the official currency of Macau. Section 11. Conclusion. Macau. An unforgettable experience awaits. Macau is a city of contrasts where ancient traditions meet modern marvels. This unique blend creates a vibrant atmosphere that is both captivating and intriguing. The skyline is a testament to this, with towering skyscrapers standing alongside centuries-old temples and colonial buildings. It's a place where you can wander through historic streets, indulge in world-class entertainment, and savor the flavors of a unique culinary heritage. The street food scene is a must experience, offering a tantalizing array of dishes that reflect Macau's rich cultural tapestry. From Portuguese egg tarts to Chinese dim sum, every bite tells a story. Whether you're seeking adventure, culture, or simply a memorable getaway, Macau has something to offer every traveler. Thrill seekers can take the plunge with a bungee jump from the iconic Macau Tower, while nature lovers can explore the serene hiking trails of Cologne. The city is a playground for those looking to create unforgettable memories. So pack your bags and embark on an unforgettable journey to this captivating city-state. The journey itself is part of the adventure, with ferries offering stunning views of the surrounding waters and skyline as you approach Macau. The excitement builds as you get closer, knowing that a world of experiences awaits. Macau awaits, ready to enchant you with its charm, excite you with its energy, and leave you with memories to last a lifetime. Traditional performances like the Dragon Dance are a feast for the senses, showcasing the city's vibrant cultural heritage. These moments are not just spectacles, but experiences that stay with you long after you've left. Experience the magic of Macau for yourself. The bustling markets, the colorful signs, and the lively streets all contribute to an atmosphere that is both exhilarating and welcoming. Every corner of Macau has a story to tell, and every experience adds